You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned to the channel, subscribe, and I'll link to many more videos for you at the end of this one. Top word here is repetition. Repetition with a stress on the third syllable, the T syllable, when you repeat something, the action of repeating. Repetition. Now, the bottom word looks similar, but has a different pronunciation. How to pronounce in English? Reputation. Reputation. Reputation is the bottom word. That's what people think about somebody, his or her reputation. So, let's summarize. The top word here is repetition. The bottom word, reputation. Could you hear the difference? Are you able to pronounce those correctly? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.